Now, are you ready for my triple chocolate chip cookies?
I'm ready to eat them.
Well, they're not made yet though, are they? And guess what? These are giant triple chocolate chip cookies.
Good.
Let's not waste any time.
No.
Let's get on with it, shall
Yeah.
we? Okay. In my mixer, I have 125 grams soft butter, 75 grams light brown sugar, and 50 grams caster sugar. All I need to do is beat this together.
Oh, beat it.
Beat it! Until well combined. So this is mixed up nice. What I'm going to throw into this mixture now is, what I have here is 125 grams dark chocolate, which I've melted in the microwave.
Is that the microwave?
The microwave, is that how she says it?
Yeah.
Microwave. The way I do it, I put it on for a minute, check it, stir it, put it on for another minute. That way you're not going to burn it. So look at that. Beautiful.
So silky.
Silky. So I'm going to throw that into here.
Oh, just place it. You don't have to throw it.
I'm going to chuck it in.
I know you're very good at chucking stuff.
There we go. Throw that in.
Yeah.
Going to give that a quick...
Do you need the guard on?
Nah, it's all right.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm going to step back.
Just mix it up roughly. And I'm also going to add 1 large egg. And 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon, that'll do. Look at that. That looks amazing already. I'm just gonna scrape it down, give it another quick whisk. Now we need to add some further ingredients to the mixer. So what I have here is, I have 150 grams plain flour, 30 grams cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, and half a teaspoon salt. Now all I'm going to do with that is I'm going to mix it, and I am gonna put the guard back on.
Good shout.
Get it going.
Turn your My Exo on.
And start adding it. So, as you can see, it's actually a very thick mixture, which is fine. That's what you're looking for. They're cookies, it's not cake batter. I'm just gonna give it another whisk. That'll do. Oh, this is so labour intensive.
Don't break her now.
You're probably thinking, oh, that looks really chocolatey, doesn't it? It does, but we're not done yet.
Gonna chock it up more.
No.
Chock
What
it
do
up.
I have here?
Chock it up.
I have 350 grams mixed.
Maybe a bit less now.
Oh my God, they're all going to go wrong now, aren't they?
Yeah.
Right, we've got a mixture of chocolate chips here. All right, I have, my mixture is 125 grams dark chocolate chips, 125 grams milk chocolate chips, and 100 grams white chocolate chips, which makes it 350 grams in total.
Minus
See?
the bits
I
that
can do my
are
maths. Yeah, exactly. Right, all I have to do with this is throw it in and give that a mix. Now, what I have to do is divide this mixture. Out of this mixture, you will get 12 giant triple chocolate chip cookies, okay? I'm going to put them on here first. I'm going to get 12 portions. You basically get a tablespoon and just put them on. The reason I'm doing it this way, I could put them straight onto the baking tray, which is lined. I'll show you that in a minute. Lined, but because I'm only going to cook 6, and then I'm going to freeze 6, but we'll get back to that in a minute. So I just want to make sure I'm going to be as even as I can to get 12 even-sized cookies. So here you have the 12. So I'm going to put 6 on my baking tray, which I have lined with greaseproof paper. Make sure you have enough gap between them, okay?
Good spacing.
Yeah, because what you don't want is for them to start joining. We wouldn't want that.
No, because otherwise it'd be like a tray bake.
It'd be like a massive cookie, wouldn't it? But if that does happen,
Doesn't matter.
It's still going to taste amazing. Follow my lead and all will be good.
Well, matter of opinion.
So these are ready to go in the oven. I have preheated the oven to 160 degrees. Mine is if you can see what Aaron's doing right now. Mine is a fan assisted oven, so if yours is a gas, about 170. And these will go in the oven for between 16 and 18 minutes. So let's put them in on the bottom.
Bottom.
Obviously, if you're making all of them, you put the other one on the layer, or whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
Let's go 16 minutes. Now, what I'm going to do with these ones, to begin with, is I've got my little tray here, and I'm just going to literally place these on the tray.
Oh, and you're going to freeze them like that on the tray.
Absolutely.
So they don't join.
Yeah. And then I'm going to put them in a bag and leave them in the freezer. And they literally, when you want to use them, you don't need to defrost them. Take them out of the freezer and cook them in exactly the same way. You may need to add another minute or two, but just check them. Okay? So I will place these in the freezer and I will see you when the cookies are done.
Look, it does manual labour as well.
Oh, can you believe I actually have to do the washing up?
Well, we do have a dishwasher, but...
Well, yeah, but I always like to wash my KitchenAid items. While we're here, if you're enjoying my recipe, if you're enjoying my videos, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button. All right, hit it. Come on, hit it, hit it, hit it.
It's down there somewhere.
Down there, it's right there. You can see it. Come on. There we go. There we go. That's better, isn't it? Right, I'll see you shortly.
Bye.
So the beef has just gone off and they were in my oven for 18 minutes. There you go. Now, you need to leave them on there for a good 5 minutes to harden slightly before we transfer them. Have I got double chin?
Yeah.
Oh, right, okay. To harden before we put them on the cooling rack, okay? So I'll see you in 5 minutes.
In its natural habitat, we have the gay cook.
Let's take these cookies and put them on the wire rack, shall we? Be gentle with them because they're
Slide it
small.
under.
And you need to leave them on here
So the
cool
bottom
totally.
cools. Don't want a hot bottom, do
And you want
you?
them to harden, that's the whole point, isn't it?
Yes. Sounds like a guillotine.
Okay, so they're all on there now. I'm going to let them cool totally and then we'll come back and see what happens. There you have it. My giant triple chocolate chip cookies. I'm not going to say they're delicious. I'm not going to say they're amazing because they are, and I don't need to. All I'm going to do is... Oh my God. Wow. Make them.
And you'll love them. Overdone
Enjoy them.
with.
You will love them.
Bye.
Love you lots. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.